cancer carcinogenesis theory. Drawing of carcinogenesis 1. Somatic cell that has one or different categories, problematic conditions, 1. Mutations, 2. Inadequate energy, 3. To age, 4. Metabolic stress, 5. Chronic inflammation, 6. Normal DNA suppression, 7. Autoimmune problem, 8. Loss of balance, oxidants and antioxidants, 9. Decreasing powerful dynamics that support organism to continue the healthiness and productivity. 10. Genetic disease. This drawing is explaining about Efruzhu cancer carcinogenesis theory, that how to start carcinogenesis somatic cell that has normal DNA should affected different problematic factors which should not recover absolutely, then immune cells, especially dominantly macrophages, have become this area, and phagocytosis starts. But any living organism, human, animal, plant, bacteria, protozoan, parasites, etc., should not want to die, so that cell will have refused and resist. Very long time later, especially chronic inflammation, phases of carcinogenesis, step by step, will change physiologic and morphological transformation. Efruzhu cancer carcinogenesis theory. Law. 1. Mutation group identity, 2. Inadequate energy, 3. Chronic inflammation, 4. Normal DNA suppression. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. Efruzhu cancer carcinogenesis theory, drawing of carcinogenesis 2. Macrophages operations very long time later will have been poured macromolecules, I mean nitric oxides, growth factors, cytokines, prostaglandines, and DNA sequence probes parts macrophages, stable, dynamics, relaxed, opponent, developed donor and recipient mechanisms, weakness, and these conditions automatically open the way that should transferable new identity parts and macromolecules. When came the chronic inflammation area, macrophages will have been caught macromolecules from macrophages, nitric oxidase, growth factors, cytokines, prostaglandines, and DNA sequence probes, parts of macrophages. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. Efruzhu cancer carcinogenesis theory, drawing of carcinogenesis, 3. Cancer cell components, cell membrane, nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane, porous, have vital role that should pass both sides, RNA, transcription factors, etc. Very important molecules, but cancer cell has not enough GTP, which would work suitably. These cancer cells, under, inside, and outside, strongly oxidative metabolic stress, imbalance of oxidants and antioxidants, so all metabolic activity problematic and loss of balance. Mutations, group identity is governing the cell dominantly that have been come from outside, normal DNA suppressed because inadequate energy. Cancer cell membrane has blood gates, channels, transporters, especially ABC ATP binding cassette transporter, that these vital functional and structural cell components should work suitable if the cell owns enough energy. But cancer cell has not enough energy, so inadequate ATP, that means phosphorylation, should not become successfully, so that normal pathways would not work as physiology. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. Efruzhu cancer carcinogenesis theory, drawing of carcinogenesis 4. pathways, but different degree and multi-colors. Anti-apoptotic activity equal immortality dependent on mutations, group identity that have been come from outside macrophages. Mutations, group identity, anti-apoptotic activity, immortal dynamics, dominant, coherent, or cancer cell, normal DNA sequence, made apoptotic effect, but not enough ATP and recessive, so governing of the cell by mutations as vehicle like web driver. Normal DNA sequence should not open it because not enough energy. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. Efruzhu cancer carcinogenesis theory, drawing of carcinogenesis 5. Energy of cancer cell. Mitochondrial energy generation and aerobic glycolysis as essential and main energy production mechanisms suppressed, repressed in cancer cell, different degree, proportions. So, inadequate energy may affect all metabolic mechanisms that using ATP. How will the cancer cell to continue vital actions? This is bad conditions. That means under suboptimal should be living and strong metabolic stress. Suppressive, repressive dynamics is dominantly continuing the metabolic dynamics. Anaerobic glycolysis, main and essential energy production mechanism pathologically in cancer cell, lactic acids, waste product, accumulation, and more than a few times. This method, very low level producing ATP that should not enough metabolic physiologic activity, mutations, and inadequate energy cause parasitic behavior. Lactic acids made destructive effect membranes and organelles. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. Efruzhu cancer carcinogenesis theory, drawing of carcinogenesis is lost, uncontrolling, dividing, immortal, anti-apoptotic actions, all these and more that we should not to see dependence of mutation group identity, mutagens and carcinogens just trigger function. Normal DNA sequence suppressed and governed of cancer cell passively recessive, because normal DNA should not open at histone protein. The transcription expression should be possible. Cancer cell has not enough energy, so transcription expression impossible. Different energy degree will be allowed that the normal DNA should be possible. Different degree transcription expression. Another problem, normal DNA genes in the promoter region are hypermethylated. That means silenced. Should not transcription expression. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. Efruzhu cancer carcinogenesis theory. Every action, role, dual, binary, drawing of carcinogenesis 7. Stem cell will have transformed to cancer cell when reach suitable conditions. That Efruzhu cancer carcinogenesis theory lows one mutation group identity, two inadequate energy, three chronic inflammation, four normal DNA suppression. Only one law or together work to make transformation. Carcinogens and mutagens may affect onto mature cells. Then later, Efruzhu cancer carcinogenesis theory laws work single or together that make transformation from normal cell to cancer cell. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. Efruzhu cancer carcinogenesis theory drawing of carcinogenesis 8. This theory has includes two dynamics of carcinogenesis. One, cloning style. Two, look like one another style. Cloning style, very fast and malign character. Carcinogenesis style, look like one another style, benign character, slow and very long time period. Should outside, then transcription expression and genes. Determination govern the cancer cell. All managing actors and mechanismal dynamics have been come from outside. So cancer cell is governing by outside and original cell metabolic dynamics using as vehicle. Inadequate ATP cause should not deactivating signaling. Normal DNA signaling pathways and sequence work via adenylat signals, but not enough ATP energy. So phosphorylation and transcription expression should not successful work as physiologic. Normal receptors downregulation, normal DNA sequence and its dynamics suppressed. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. Efruzhu cancer carcinogenesis theory, drawing of carcinogenesis 10. Mutations, expressivity, and normal DNA expressivity. Ectopic, foreign DNA. Parts, probes. From outside, dominantly transcription expression at promoter region. Histone protein should open it, and activator protein make mutation group identity activation, so genes hypomethylated. That means transcription expression successful. Most of metabolic activity dependence of foreign origin DNA, sequence, and genes. Cancer cell governance by mutations. Malign cancer, very high percent managing by mutations, dependence, deep inadequate energy, and high-level mutations. Normal DNA sequence. Histones, proteins should not open it because not enough energy at the promoter region. Genes hypermethylated. That means normal DNA should not transcription expression successfully. Suppressor proteins and other factors make original DNA suppression, repression, recessive, passive conditions of cancer cells. Essential if cancer cell has energy lower than normal, low mutations level, and benign character is possible. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. Efruzhu cancer carcinogenesis theory. original DNA sequences, probes, recording of normal DNA, these operations make renewal effect multi-combinative crossover that recombines of normal DNA and cultural adaptation of wet metabolic stress condition. These secret chimeric conditions and products give the cancer cell advantages that escape of immune cell and later metastatic emigration called cloning or look like one another style carcinogenesis should have been happened successfully. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. Efruzhu cancer carcinogenesis theory. Drawing of carcinogenesis 12. Carcinogenesis started single cell as parasitic behavior, another normal cell, source of cancer cell. When will have been cancer cell proliferation and would become colony day by day. Source should not enough, so decreasing energy and increasing mutations level. Malignity every day increasing, so that cancer cell make metastasis emigrate from colonial area to distance that will have been found more livable, suitable conditions, which metabolic activity should be continued as vital functions. Cancer cells run out of sources at first regional, later organism. Metastasis makes negative effect homeostatic